everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok couldn't upload problem. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you find that your TikTok videos are not posting or uploading on your feed, there might be a couple of reasons for that. The first thing you can do is try restarting the TikTok app and then your phone as well. Go to settings from your phone and under settings tap on apps. Under apps tap on TikTok, or you can search it on the search box as well. Once you find the app, give it a tap and go to the bottom of the screen and tap on force stop from the menu. Now from the pop-up select OK, and now go to TikTok and see if that works. You can also restart your phone after you restart the TikTok app. If that works, then that's great. If not, the next thing you can do is ensure you have a good internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. Once you have a good internet connection, you should have no problem uploading TikTok videos. Another thing you can try out is to clear your app cache and the data. Tap open settings and tap on the apps button. Now find TikTok from the app list. Once you do so, under use as tap on storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right, and from the bottom left tap on clear data. From the pop-up select OK. Doing this will delete all of the application's data permanently, which includes all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. After you tap on OK, you can go ahead and tap open the TikTok application, and you'll need to sign into your account again. If you are still having a problem with it, then the next thing you can do is go to TikTok application and tap it on. From the home screen, tap on the Me button in the bottom right, and once you do that, go to the upper right corner and tap on the three dots. Scroll all the way down and under Support, tap on Report a Problem. Under Select a Topic, tap on Account and Profile, and from this option, tap on Editing Profile. Tap on Other and tap on Still Have a Problem. Now, in this page, go ahead and type in your problem in order to report it to TikTok support. Once you type in your problem, tap on Report at the bottom, and therefore TikTok will contact you within a day or two with your solution. That is how you can fix TikTok could not upload problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.